bride. She is beautiful inside and out. The more I got to know her, I was like, wow, she's awesome.
When I kissed you, did you feel a spark? I fell into something in the dark.
Once upon a time, our mother was told that soon she would have a third baby to hold. Katie, we love having you as our sister and are happy to add to this family your mister.
You're full of love, joy, and life. We know you'll make a wonderful wife.
Do you ever think about me when you lay your head? Do you ever dream about me?
Brandon, we're proud to call you brother. For Katie, there could be no other.
Your patience and kindness are perfect for her. I know you're the one, if ever there were.
Take me with you wherever you may go. Since I love you, I thought that you should.
Wow,
You.
you look beautiful.
Yeah, I look like a bride.
You do. My bride.
So you ready?
Ready and pumped.
Thank you.
Do you ever think about me when you lay your head? Do you ever dream about me?
I, Brandon, take you, Katie, to be my wife. For this day forward, for better or worse,
I, Katie, take you, Brandon, be my husband, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health,
until we are parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
When you lay in bed, do you ever think about me? When you lay your head, do you ever dream about me? When you lay in bed, do you ever think about me?
I pray that you keep Christ in the center of your marriage and think of each other more highly than yourself. If you do this, you will be happy all of your lives.